Good morning to all the FMG students. Dr. Devan Kumaraguru is here, Secretary of FMG Wing, Tamil Nadu Medical Students Association. Today I am going to guide you how to apply eligibility certificate in online. Before that, you should know some steps to apply eligibility certificate. Step 1. Check the required documents. Step 2. Register in site. Step 3. Fill the application form. Step 4. Payment. Step 5. Post to NMC office. Now, step 1. Check the required documents. As I mentioned in this slide, you can check whether you have all these documents or not. Now, step 2. Register in site. Just open the Google and start to search nmc.org.in. Now click NMC. Now you will get an official main page of National Medical Commission. Scroll down. In the left corner you can see students login. Click that. Now you can see students registration page. Online application for registration of eligibility certificate. Click here to log in or register. Now you can see user login page. If you have username and password, you can do login. If not, do register now. Now you can see registration page. Disclaimer: the applicant and candidate's name should appear exactly as it appears in their 10th and 12th certificate mark sheet, and fill all the columns: applicant name, email address, mobile number, enrollment number, select year of admission, school, college name, and enter image. Once, if you submit this form, check your mail. You will get a notification. By using that notification, you can log in the site. I am already having username and password, so I am typing that. Username, password, and do login. Now you will get my dashboard page. In the left corner, you can click dashboard. You will get an option eligibility certificate. Once again click that, you will get another option raise a request. Click that. Now step 3. Fill the application form. Personal detail: name of the applicant, father name, nationality, date of birth, age, email address, mobile number of the candidate, Aadhaar number, voter ID card number, passport details, passport number, date of issue, place of issue, date of expiry, category number, 2 visible identification mark, present address in capital letter, permanent address in capital letter, detail of education qualification from 11th standard, 10th class, 11th class details. If you don't have 11th class certificate, get from the school. And board name and address, check your certificate. Fill the marks. 12th class details. BSc if you done. Country, year of admission in foreign medical college institution, name of the foreign medical university to which the foreign medical college institution with country name mentioned at point number 20, name of the foreign medical college institution where candidate was admitted, and upload all the document which they asked inside. Affidavit, the format of affidavit I will upload in description. Self-attested copy of BSc if applicable, copy of caste certificate if not general, year-wise mark sheet get from the university, self-attested copy of passport along with the copy of visas, need certificate if applicable. Detail of payment of fees, you can choose a mode of payment. Whether any application has been made by you earlier for grant eligibility certificate to the Commission. You can choose option yes or no. And declaration. Before submitting this form, check whether everything you did correct or not. And do submit. Now step 4, payment. Once if you submit this form, you will get another window, initiate payment option. Click that. You can get payment gateway. In that you can do your payment by using card, wallet, Google Pay, Paytm, etc. Once if the payment is done successfully, you will get tracking number. By using that number, you can track your application. And not only this, and another step is final step 5. Post to NMC office. Whatever the documents you have uploaded in this site, take 2 copies of Xerox and your passport size photo with white background and original affidavit. Send to NMC office. Wait few weeks to get eligibility certificate. If you have any login or IT related issues or regarding mail changes, mail to support.helpdesk@nmc.org.in, eligibility@nmc.org.in. If you have any queries or issues, you may contact. Thank you for watching this video.